class 8, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing here DAV Maths class 8 chapter 4 direct and inverse variation worksheet 3 question number 7. So here this is our question number 7 and our question number 7 is a train 150 meter long is running at 72 km per hour. It crosses a bridge in 13 seconds. Find the length of the bridge. Here we have given that the speed of train is 72 km per hour and the length of the train is 150 meter. In this question we have to find the length of the bridge. In this question we have given the length of the train in meter and time in seconds. So firstly we have to convert this 72 km per hour in meter per second. So I write here speed. Speed is equal to 72 km per hour and we know that is I write here 72 multiplied by 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 72 multiplied by 1000 upon here and 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. Double zero cancel this double zero. At the ones place here is 0. At the ones place here is 6. Both are divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Here is 2 at the ones place. 8 at ones place divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 9 1s are 9. 9 4s are 36. Here 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 meter per second. So here the distance covered by train in 20. So here the distance covered by train 20 meter in 1 second. I make a table firstly here. I write here distance in meter and time in second. So here the distance is here. This is the distance 20 meter per 20 meter and time is per second means 1 second. 1 second. Now we have to find the distance cover in 13 seconds. I write here 13 and let this be x here. This is the distance cover in the 13 seconds. We have to find this. Let this be x here. And we have given here, we know that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Here we have distance, one from the LHS and one from the RHS here. So it is a case of direct variation. And we know that A upon B is equal to constant. We have to find here the distance cover in 13 seconds here. So distance cover in 13 seconds is equal to the length of the train. Length of the train plus the length of the bridge. In this question we have to find the length of the bridge. Let this be x here. And the length of train is 150. So now we have to find here the distance cover in 13 seconds. Distance cover in 13 seconds which is equal to x plus 150. X means length of bridge plus 150 means the length of the train which is given in the question here. So this is a case of direct variation. Now we apply here the formula A upon B is equal to constant. Now I write 20 upon 1 is equal to x plus 150 upon 13. Now we can solve this question by doing the by cross multiply. By cross multiply 20 multiply by 13 and 1 multiply by x plus 150 which is equal to same x plus 150. Now 20 multiply 13 is equal to, I write here 20 multiply by 13. 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, 1 zeros are 0, 1 twos are 2. 0 here 6 plus 0 is equal to 6 here. 260. I write here 260 which is equal to x plus 150. Now we have to find here the value of x. X is equal to, or here this is 260 here the symbol with 150 is plus. When it comes to LHS, it becomes minus. Minus 150, which is equal to x here. And 260 minus 150, which is equal to 0. Minus 0 is equal to 0. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So from here 110 is equal to x. Here the value of x is equal to 110. So the length of the bridge is equal to length of the bridge is equal to 110 meter.